Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're going to review this magnifying eyewear from Mighty Sight that includes LEDs to illuminate what you're viewing. And our channel is all about helping you learn how to do things yourself to save money. And we also do tool reviews, and we consider this a tool review because if you understand what a tool is all about and its features and possible problems and things, that also helps you save money, and we're all about saving money. So anyway, this is the Mighty Sight magnifying glasses, and just to give you a little bit of an idea, it says it helps keep hands free. It's got ultra bright LEDs. The magnification level is 160%, and they are rechargeable. And let's see, it says it's great for reading small print, hobbies and crafts, sewing, DIY repairs, and more. And in reading the instructions that comes with it, it says it takes about 30 minutes to charge, but they do come partially charged, and we have fully charged ours at this point. But it says it takes about 30 minutes to charge, and the LEDs will burn for about 3 hours on a full charge. So that's a pretty good duration of light to use for just a 30-minute charge. But it says you can use them over your existing eyeglasses. I don't know about that. Got a button here on the bottom that you can press to turn the LEDs on. If I put them over my glasses, I find them very awkward. I can find a spot where, you know, the text comes in focus, and with the LEDs on, it definitely lights things up and enlarges a little bit, but they just feel awkward to me. My sweetie, which is behind the camera there, she wears reading glasses to read. And when she tried them out, she told me that she can read stuff without her reading glasses if she wears these. I think that's a real plus for people that need reading glasses, especially if you need a little bit of magnification, because they do magnify 160%. And if you're in a low light area, you can turn the LEDs on, and it really brightens up what you're trying to read. So I think that's a very positive thing. They come with their own little charging cable. Works just fine. Like I said, we charged ours up fully earlier. Over here on the left side arm, I mean, I know you can't see it, but right along here, there's a little rubber port that you pull a little plug out of it, and you plug the cable in to charge. And just in front of that, there's a little gray button there that you press to turn the lights on, you press again to turn them off. The glasses also come with a neat little carrying case. Okay, so the glasses will go in here. And one thing I really do like about this is on the edge, or down near the bottom, there's a little pouch where you can put your charging cable in. So right there you got the whole package right there, your charging cable and your glasses all together, which I think is pretty neat. And so pull these back out so you can see them a little bit better again. So there we go. It's the magnifying glasses from Mighty Sight. I think they're very useful for some people. Cost, I don't know exactly what was paid for these. I got them for a Christmas present. I suspect they were somewhere between $10 and $20. And in that price range, I think they're a pretty decent value. I don't think they're great, but I think they're good. Particularly if you need to have things magnified a little bit, because they do the 160% magnification. They seem to do that pretty well. And what the instructions say do is when you put the glasses on, you look at something and you move it back and forth until you find that spot that it comes completely in focus. And that does work. And so all in all, I'd have to say they're a good value. And I would recommend them if you need that sort of thing. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us to grow. It also helps you to find more do-it-yourself and repair videos that we've done or will do in the future. And at this point, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.